Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I want to show you guys and tell you guys how to actually evaluate the cars you take in or the cars you just simply buy off in physical touch or physical standard, because not all of you buy cars through auctions, not all of you have the capability to ask some dealers to send you some type of paint measurements and stuff like that and pictures, because let's be honest, when you're a beginner nobody takes you serious, and that's why I'm here to help you guys not make the mistakes I made when I started. So right here we have a 530D X-Drive, however they call it, 2022, and I'm gonna show you guys how to actually evaluate the car and to see if the car has been crashed. So usually the first thing to do is just simply open the hood, open the bonnet and check out codes. So I usually right away check out the codes of the lights. So I check out the code. Right here it's covered with plastic, but if you tap inside you can see that it has a code with a BMW sign. So you memorize the code, go to the other side, and bam, the same code, same BMW standard light, and all of the screws look like they are a bit old, so I think this is appropriate. So right off the bat you can already see that the lights are the same, which is a good sign, because that means that probably never been crashed and it never needed any light change. The second thing is, so this particular car has a lot of plastics, but if you just remove the plastic, which I'm not going to do now because I'm too lazy, you can check out the screws. So even if I go like down a bit down, I can see the screws and I can see the welds, and I can see that it's all original. So all in original states. You can even see that the screws are a bit old, and that's how you see if the structure of the car has been dealt with, if it's been done again, if it's been welded back together. So check out both of the sides and you can immediately see if it's dealt with in any manner, and right here it's not. And of course, when you want to actually evaluate this car, make sure to take off the plastic so you actually see the whole thing as you're supposed to see. The next thing that I usually check is seat belts. So we're gonna open the door, you grab the seat belt and you just pull it, bam, and you can already see that it's good, it's not loose. Check out all the doors, open each and every single door. So right here I'm gonna take it out, bam, check it out. If it's not grabbing the same second that you pull it, then something is probably wrong with the seat belt. And why I say to check this stuff out is because imagine you don't check this out in a car you buy, and then someone buys a car and dies because of it. Like, you have that guy on your soul, and you could probably even get sued, which is, I think, even worse. Let's go to the back of the car. So at the back of the car you can also check out the lights. It just takes a bit more time because the codes are not simply written outside of the lights, neither inside in this particular car. So you basically have to remove the plastic to check it out. Do that a bit later, don't do it in front of the customer. But otherwise, the thing that I check out is the panels. Do the panels go right back to each other? So then I check out the diagonals. So right here you can see that both lights are aligned as they are supposed to be. You see zero gaps. Same at the other side, you can see that everything is aligned, everything is well. So when you check this stuff out, you already know, okay, the car hasn't been crashed, or it's just been done professionally. So the next thing to do is to measure the paint. So right now I don't have the gadget to measure the paint because, well, some of the workers are using it right now. You just take out the device and just measure the paint. So usually each car brand has its own standard for paint thickness, but right away you can see if the measurement is above 300 or 400, then the car's probably been repainted, because usually the measurement of the paint is around 150, 160. So you already know if the car has been painted. So with this car I can even tell you we painted the bumper, and the front bumper. Why did we do it? Because it had a lot of scratches on it. And I don't mean like big scratches, but when people usually take luggage out, they usually scratch the part of the bumper, which is really annoying and nobody likes to see it. The next thing that you should be doing is probably check out Car Vertical or something like that. Now, because I don't want to make money of you, I'm not gonna put any codes with my earnings on it. Just go to whichever site you want, Car Vertical or something like that, and put in the chassis number and check out if it's maybe been in an accident. The next thing that you want to do before buying the car is turning the car on. Before turning the car on though, I like to take the flash on my phone and just go around the engine. So you start somewhere here where you can see, but these new engines, man, just fucking plastic everywhere. But you go around, you go inside and just check out if there's any oil on the floor, if anything is leaking. And of course this car is, well, it's in brilliant condition, so nothing is actually leaking or anything like that, because the car is 3 years old, it has 100,000 kilometers. It's basically new, man. But it's fine to check it out if there's any leakage, because each of those leakages can cost you from 200 euros and above. It's just that simple. So let's turn the car on now so we can examine the sound together. So I always turn the car on, open the hood. So you go to the front and you just listen to the sound. You check out how the things are moving. You can even open the plastic, you can take it off. Nothing really special to see here. Everything is particularly new. Put the plastic back on. Sounds amazing, man. And yeah, that's it. That's how you actually check out the car, check out the whole. So we can go again through it. Check out paintness, alignment, lights, and all of this stuff. Then at the end, check out the engine. And that's it. And I think the most important thing after all is paperwork. Always check out the paperwork correctly. Always check if it's written on some company that even doesn't exist. So that's the few things that you have to check out in order to not get scammed. And it's that simple, man.